Hi everyone, welcome to 9th class students for math class. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.4. First problem, 4 problems, 5 problems is there. I'll explain. Please learn it slowly. This one. The first problem, x plus 4 into x plus 10. So x you have to multiply these two terms. You can write like this here. X into x plus 10. Again 4 into x plus 10. Bracket means multiplication. X into x x square, x into 10x, 4 into x 4x plus 4 tens are 40. X square 10x plus 4x is equal to 14x plus 40. This is over. Next one, x plus 8 into x minus 10. X into x minus 10 plus 8 into x minus 10. X into x x square, x into 10 minus 10x, 8 into x 8x, 8 tens are 80. X square minus 10x plus 8x minus 2x, x square minus 2x minus 80. This one. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x into 3x minus 5 plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3 3s are 9x square, 3 5s are 15x plus 3 4s are 12x minus 20. 9x square minus 15x plus 12x minus 3x plus 12 minus 12. Sorry, here you write 20 minus 20. Okay, this one is you have to use identity a square plus a plus b into a minus b. You have to use this formula a plus a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a means y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. ఇక్కడ a power m whole power n formula a power mn. Y to the power of 4 minus 9 by 4. This is equal to 3x, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. Same, a plus b into a minus b. 3 square minus 2x whole square, 3 square 9, 4x whole square. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share your friends.